Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Today's date is November 7th, 2024. Let's get started. I'm going to take a look at the 4-hour chart to at least start off here. And from this dash line to this dash line is a week of trading. So we're into Thursday. We don't have a little more time before the end of the week. But what did we do this week with all the election, all the stuff going on? And we look at the high price right here. We came up to the falling 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. And we moved sharply to the downside. What about the low price right here? We moved down to a low of 0.5912, which was near these lows right through here and also near this low right here. So there was a reason for the price to do its thing at this level on the downside and at the top side right here. In trading here today, what do? We moved back above the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That was a shift more to the positive. It was also near the natural level of the 0.6000 level, and we saw increased momentum to the upside. And where have we gone? Well, we moved up to this yellow area right here, which I've had outlined as a level of importance. Why? Because it has a bunch of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. You can see the number of them through here, and even here before the market moved to the downside through here. So we moved back up to the high of that swing area, or that swing area, I guess, between 0.6038 and 0.6031 and 0.60387. The 4-4 level is this solid line right through here, which corresponds with like a swing low right here, swing lows right here, swing low right here, so on and so forth. But this yellow area was the key target on the top, on the top side after breaking above the 100 bar moving average, and we held resistance against that level. Since then, we've come back down, but we're staying above the 100 bar moving average, and that's going to be key going forward. As long as the price can remain above that 100 bar moving average at 0.605005, then the buyers remain in control. We have the potential to move further to the upside. Let's take a look at the hourly chart, see if there's any clues off the hourly chart that we can hang our hats on. And in trading here today, what we saw was a price move above the converged 100 and 200 hour moving averages. I've talked about that and some of the other currency pairs, how that those two moving averages have converged. And you can see that when the price moved above that level, the sellers turned to buyers. We didn't return back to it. We just marched to the upside. Here's our 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. And you can see that once we broke above that level, we stayed above that level. This was the test of it in trading yesterday before moving to the downside. Everything's ahead of us, but the buyers are making a play in the short term. We'll see if they can keep that play going by getting above this swing area up here between 0.60313 and 0.60387. If they can, that opens the door for further upside. If they can't and the price moves back below the 100 bar moving average here, then all bets are off. The buyers had their shot, they missed, and I would expect further selling pressure back toward the 100 and 200 hour moving average and see what happens from there. So that's my technical look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. My name is Greg Mikulski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.